Hello guys, my name is Oleg and welcome to my English-speaking cooking channel. Actually, I'm from Russia and I have my own cooking channel on YouTube, but with my native language, with my Russian language. Yes, I know that my English sucks. I know that my level of my English is very low, but actually I know some recipes that are already done on my Russian-speaking cooking channel, and I want to show them these recipes to you on English language. First reason is I want to improve the level of my English a little bit. Actually, I don't know if you even understand me right now. Maybe you are not. But I hope you understand me right now. And the second reason is that I want to show you the recipes that I am good at cooking. Good at cooking? Can I speak like that? Okay, never mind. And my first recipe is Draniki. In Russian language, it's called Draniki. What means Draniki? You know this new game, Stray, where you're playing as a cat, and the cat can scratch the couch. So when the cat is scratching something, it's called in Russian language драть. So when your cat is scratching your couch, you're saying, "Hey cat, stop драть the couch. Stop драть the couch." So the draniki is potatoes, like hash browns, but scratching on the small pieces. What's the difference between hash browns and draniki? Actually, I got some potatoes. Draniki is made not on butter. We will fry our draniki on lard. Yes, really pig lard. But the first step is not cutting the potatoes. The first step is making sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of a small cutting dill. Small cutted dill? I don't know how to say it correctly. We're gonna cut it really thin and chop it like that. We need all the flavor, we need all the taste. Okay, we have 2 tablespoons of dill. Then 200 grams of sour cream, your favorite sour cream. This is the best sauce for hash browns and for draniki. And some garlic, because I love garlic in all my dishes. You can use microplane, or maybe you can use, I don't know how it's called, you know, where you're smashing garlic like this. I don't know how it's called. Okay, I will use microplane, like that. And for the saltiness and texture of this sauce, we need pickles. Actually, I don't know why English and European people called it pickles, because they have pickled onions, pickled tomatoes, pickled something, and this is pickled cucumbers. But no, they called it just pickles. I don't know why, but that's cool. We need 3 tablespoons of finely chopped pickles, but not too fine, because they should be a little bit crunchy in our sauce. So you should feel small pieces. Okay, we have 3 tablespoons of pickles and this texture is fine. Let's mix it all together. Why we made this sauce on the first place? Because it needs some time. We'll put it in the fridge at least for half an hour. And it will be much better after 30 minutes. Of course, taste it for salt, but remember that pickles are salty already. Okay, let's make some draniki. And the first step, we're gonna peel our potatoes. That's a real simple task. I know that in Europe, in America, you have a lot of types of potatoes, but in Russia, actually no one choose a special type of potato to make some draniki or some fries. This is just a potato from the shop. And you know, I think that any type of potatoes are good for making draniki. There are a few ways how you can chop your potatoes. Of course, you can use your grater. You can really use your grater, but this is really a shitty idea. Why? Because you will spend a lot of time. So the really good idea is to use kitchen processor, food processor with things like that, because it will chop your potatoes in a few seconds. I will put it like that, so I will chop my potatoes with these small holes, not the big ones. These super small cutting holes will do all the texture. Like 30 seconds or something. So now we have this super thinly sliced texture of potatoes. But But we have a lot of moisture, a lot of water. We don't need that. So what we do? So we'll use this colander. Something fell down. Okay, never mind. We'll use this colander just to smash our potatoes and to lose as much moisture as we can. But if we lose this water, we lose this moisture, we're gonna lose a lot of starch. But we really need a lot of starch in our draniki, so it must be so crispy. Look at that. There is a lot of starch in this liquid. This white thing is just a starch. So we can wait, you know, we can wait so it falls down on the bottom. But another way is just put some extra starch in our potatoes. You can use cornstarch, you can use any starch that you have at home. I will use cornstarch. And some salt and pepper. For this amount of the potatoes, I think about a teaspoon. This is half of tablespoon, this is teaspoon of salt. And some fresh grounded pepper to your taste. You don't need any eggs in there. Only potato, starch, salt and pepper. That's it. And of course, mix this all together. Yeah, it will be super delicious draniki. Next step, we need some lard, really pig lard. This we need this white part, and we need to chop it really thinly because we need it to melt in our pan. We need the liquid. We need this oil from this lard. The best way to melt this lard. The best way to melt this lard is on a low heat, on a non-stick pan. So. Super small gas, non-stick pan. And now take your time because it's gonna melt by itself. Okay, now our lard is already melt. It's already liquid. Some guys in Russia, they use this lard, fried pieces of lard as a snack. But actually I'm not into this at all. And now look how much liquid lard, melted lard we have. This is all flavor. But you know, I must warn you that this flavor, this smell of the pig's fat of this lard, this is not for everyone. This is just the oldest way to cook draniki. But today, if you don't like pig's fat, or maybe you don't even maybe you're Muslim or something, so you don't eat pigs, then just use simple butter. Now we have this texture of potatoes, like these small strings or something, and we put it right here. And press it down a little bit, so it should be a little bit thinner, like that. And like that, that's cool. You must use super low heat. I'll explain why. That's simple, because your draniki should be cooked through. And if you use very high heat, it will be so crispy and start burning, but it will be raw inside. So use low heat and take your time. Maybe 5, maybe 7 minutes on the low heat, and we can turn them. Yeah, that's it. That's the color that I wanted. So look, this is a really good color for draniki. And it is really crispy outside. Let me show you. I'll just put one dranik here. And where is my mic? And of course our sour cream sauce. My favorite. Let's taste it. This draniki is awesome. And the sauce. It is really good. But if you don't like pig's lard, really melted lard, don't use it. Use simple, I don't know, sunflower oil or something like that. Maybe use some butter. Don't use lard if you don't like it, but you must dip this sauce. And of course, this is super crispy outside and super creamy inside. This is a perfection. Okay guys, so this is my first video on this English speaking channel, so I hope you understand me. Maybe not. Just write in the comments below if you don't understand what I am saying. And this dish Draniki is really awesome. This is crispy, this is creamy inside, and the sour cream sauce is just, I don't know how it's called, tremendous. This is really, really great. I hope you enjoyed this video, so thank you for the subscribing, and read some comments if you understand me or not. Okay, dudes, rate my English from 1 to 10 in the comments. Thank you. Bye. Postscriptum. If you don't like my cooking, then похуй. In Russian language, похуй means never mind. Have a good day.